If you are a new athlete coming to University of Tennessee Southern, you have to complete your online ATGenius profile first before you are cleared to participate in any sports. First, go to www.atgenius.com. Go to Student Athletes, New Student Athletes. Our school code is Firehawks, all capital letters, no spaces, no numbers. Click Next. Select University of Tennessee Southern. Enter your birth date and your last name. Click Next. Then it's going to ask you to enter your email address. And create a password. Enter that again. Update. Success. Now you can log into your account. And that's your profile box. Click on that. From there, scroll down. This is under Student Info. Scroll down. Don't forget to put your first name and your address, as well as your phone number here. That will be important. Choose the sport you will be participating in and your grade level when you come in this upcoming year. Click Save. Go to Parent Information. In here, Parent Information, we use this for emergency contact services. Mom's name and or dad's name here. Phone numbers and addresses, please. On the red block, Insurance, you will go here, enter your insurance information here, the company, the address on the back, policy group numbers on the front, and the phone number on the back for claims access. Also here, add insurance card. You can upload a picture of it if you have it saved. Click on such picture, open, and then save, and it will load. The next section is Pre-Season Docs. Pre-Season Docs here, you will click on each one on the Start button. For example, medical policy information, Start. You will download. This will give you access to the policy form you can read over. Once you've read over that, you'll enter your name here, and then click Get Code. This will send a code, 6-digit code, to your phone you have to enter here in the bottom section, and then click Save. You will do this for all the rest except for two. The medical history physical form, download that one. Click here and you will start typing all of your information here. Answer yes or no for the family medical history, personal medical history, and yes or no on the behavioral health history. Then you will print these 6 pages and take them when you get your physical. When you come back from your physical, you'll go to Next Step at this same spot, Add Media, and if you have all 6 pages uploaded as one document, you can upload all 6 pages at one time here and click Save. The next one that is slightly different is the sickle cell testing options. You can download that form there, and you will read over that. If you choose one of the options here, that is good. You need to click on that box on the one you have chosen, and then you're going to download with your changes. Save that. Go back here and go to Next Step. Add Media. Click that file and then save, and it will upload for you. The bottom one is if you are a freshman and you are under 18 when you come onto campus. You will need to do the under 18 form, which your parents will have to sign off on, and you need to do and upload on that as well, the same way as we did the sickle cell options page. After that, do your COVID screening here just before you arrive and click Save. Afterwards, you will need to come see your athletic trainer for final check-off and do your concussion baseline. If you are a returner to the UT Southern Athletic System, You will just need to go through your account and make sure you have proper addresses if there's anything changed, phone numbers, also insurance information. We need to update that if anything has changed. Put a picture copy of the new card here as well. You can do this from your phone also. And on your preseason docs, if you're a returner, you will only need to do the medical history physical form again. Fill out the first 3 pages, as we said before. Print those out, take those for your physical, and then return them on this page here. Upload all 6 as one document on next step. If these pages are uploaded as individual pages, we will have to reset them until we can get all 6 pages onto one document and uploaded.